Hi, welcome to Paper Tales, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to make leaves from a comb. So let's begin. So for that we require glue, combs and strips of paper. So let's start. So what we'll do with in the beginning is we will stick two strips of paper together. So I'm using, since they're leaves, I'm using shades of green, and I'll be sticking a brown with a light green. So the strips are about 12 inches tall and about 3 mm wide, and we'll begin with applying glue, just a little bit, not a lot. So this makes these leaves, the strips of paper, it makes them stiff, and it adds a good texture to the leaves. You can also leave them as they are, but they'll be a little floppy. So that's the reason we are sticking these together. And also they'll add a little bit of color to our leaves. So they just won't be one single bland color, but they'll be quite colorful. So once you've stuck these strips of paper together, you have to leave them aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes to dry. So we leave this aside. And I have made, I've already stuck two strips of paper together. So we'll work with that. So here I have a green and a dark green strip of paper, and we'll start working with that. So what you do in the beginning is fold about 1/3 of the strip, like so, and I've used a narrow toothed comb, and so you can use whatever comb you have at home, but I prefer these, so I've started using with this. So the smallest strip of paper will be on top, and the longer strip of paper will be in the bottom, and we'll start. So you just loop it around like so. It's quite simple. You just go with the flow. Decide on how much size you want, how long you want your leaf to be, and use your strips accordingly. If you want, you can cut them in half and then use them to make smaller leaves. So once you've reached a point where you're happy with the size of the leaf, you just stop looping and bring it on top like this so that we can stick it. So now what you do is you apply glue over here. Once again, just a little bit, not a lot. I've used Fevicol glue. It's a PVA glue, and it's very similar to Elmer's. So you stick it like this, press it down so that it sticks properly. And pull it out. So now what you do is you can leave this like this only as a tendril, or what you can do is I have made a similar tendril, and I will stick it, this one with this one together. And there you go, you have your lovely leaf ready, colorful and nice. It looks very gorgeous once you put it on paper along with a flower or something. Now what I've done is, I'll just show you, I've looped this into 2 loops instead of 1. This is a singular loop. Every single loop, every alternate loop I looped in. Here I've done 2 loops together, and that's what's made it so wide. So you can try that also. So I'll show you how I do that too. Once again, fold it in 1/3 and you start looping it. Now instead of every single loop, every single tooth, you take 2 teeth together, and that's it. Then 2 and 1. That's it. You've got a nice wide loop instead of the thin ones over here, narrow ones over here. And what you do is you apply glue and you stick it along with this. So what this one is a little wider, as you can see, if you can notice. So what I had done for this one is I had tied this along with this, and I'd widened the arc, and then I had quilled around it. So you can do something like this also, or if you have an exact comb, a second comb like this, you can just put them together, tie them or stick them up, and you can weave through the teeth and create something wider. So it totally depends on you, what style you like, and what you want to do, and you can just go ahead and do whatever you like. So what you can also do is stick it like this to a flower and add a leaf or a few leaves like this. Another style what you can do is, I'd made this recently, and see this border over here? You can put these, the half ones, like so, and just stick them over here and add it into a border, make it into a flower. I'm going to teach you all a new style of how to quill with the comb, and I'll show it next time in my next video. So stay back for more. So for now, this is just it, and I hope you like this video, and like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.